Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best watch winder that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Wolf 270102 Heritage Double Watch Winder. Wolf works hard to ensure that it delivers only quality and reliable products, and this new double automatic watch winder is a testament to that mission. Exquisite and innovative features have been added with one aim in mind: to maintain accuracy and quality in your timepiece and to keep your watch safe at all times. This device records the number of rotations made during every moment of its performance with Wolf's patented technology. The cuff is locked into the rotator drum to ensure a secure fit. The pre-programmed pause and sleep phases make creating different rotation programs easy. The silent nylon gears ensure that finesse and quality are uncompromised. The built-in lock-in cuff makes it possible for this double watch winder to care for oversized watches, up to 52mm case. There are also 3 directional settings, namely clockwise, counterclockwise and bidirectional. Moving on, at number 4, we have the JQUEEN Quiet Motor Watch Winder. In this quadruple winder selection, you get to enjoy the sound of silence. Japanese quiet operating motors won't disturb you, and the price tag won't shock you either. This model utilizes acrylic glass and interior faux leather to aid in keeping costs down. Still looks great though. This JQUEEN unit operates off of a dual motor, meaning that one side, holding 2 watches, will spin to wind them up, even if there's only one watch in the placement mold, and comes with 4 settings for different winding speeds. You get to choose how much energy and winding is dedicated to your timepieces, up to 4 watches. This product comes with an AC adapter or can function solely on batteries. At number 3, we have the Versa Automatic Single Watch Winder. The Versa Automatic Single Watch Winder uses Japanese parts and Mabuchi technology for the motor and gearbox. This single watch winder can wind all automatic watch brands such as Rolex, Omega, Tissot, Seiko, and Tiffany. It utilizes 4 turns per day settings and employs 3 direction settings for creating a different rotation mode depending on the watch inside. By the nature of its design, it will turn for 5 minutes and then rest, and this cycle repeats as long as the winder is on. A blue LED light turns on whenever the winder is in operation. Every single part of this product is tooled to precision and hand-assembled. Also included are spring action watch pillows with adjustments to accommodate larger watches. With dimensions of 5.8 x 5.8 x 5.8 inches, this compact-sized device nestles easily into the smallest of closets or wardrobes. As an added bonus, this affordable product comes with a 1-year warranty. At number 2, we have the Chiota Watch Winder. The Chiota case, which utilizes Japanese motors for perfectly quiet operation, as well as ebony grain wood for a classic and regal appearance. This single watch winder is kinder on your wallet while providing the versatility you need. This unit comes with 2 forms of power operation, AC power and battery power, and comes in a compact size for easy storage and minimal space taken up on your dressing table. Any timepiece will look fantastic in this case. The acrylic glass keeps your favorite Tissot watch safe, while dual knob controls along the back can be set for 2 different watches. If your current watch needs to be wound, simply trade places with your display watch, and use the second knob to contour to the new watch's specific needs, after you program it. And finally, at number 1, we have the Versa Automatic Double Winder. Versa has undergone a massive upgrade in their watch winder systems. A new and improved Japanese motor and gearbox ensure optimal functionality, allowing you to select 4 different speed options for winding in 3 directions. This Versa watch winder is also smart, so it repeats your preferences after it's been turned back on. This tower display saves space laterally while displaying your watches on top of one another for a unique effect that you sparsely see on other double watch winders. Additional attachments allow you to hold larger watches, like G-Shock watches, with no trouble, while a 1-year warranty directly from Versa gives you the assurance of repairs should something on your device stop working. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.